In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a business Gmail account that you can use for YouTube. This method is beginner friendly and you do not need any previous experience. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail sign-up page. You can search for Gmail or go directly to accounts.google.com. On this page, you will see an option to create a new account. Click on Create Account, then select the option that says For Business or Myself. For a YouTube channel, it is better to choose the Business option because it gives you extra tools for managing multiple users and branding. Next, you need to enter your basic information. Start by typing your first and last name. For a business account, it is better to use your business or channel name in the first or last name field so that your email looks professional. After selecting the Business Profile option, Gmail will ask you to enter your date of birth. Fill in your birth date carefully. Then, you need to create a username. This username will become your Gmail address, so choose a name that is professional and matches your business or YouTube channel. Avoid using random numbers or personal nicknames. Next, create a strong password. Make sure it is at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Re-enter the password to confirm it. A strong password helps keep your Gmail account secure, especially if it will be used for YouTube, where you may have many subscribers and videos. After creating your password, click Next. Gmail will now ask for your phone number. Enter a valid phone number that you have access to. Google will send a verification code to this number to confirm it belongs to you. Type the code in the box provided. This step is important because it adds an extra layer of security to your account. After filling out these details, click Next. Google will now show you the Privacy and Terms page. Read through the terms if you wish, then click Agree to continue. Your Gmail account will now be created and ready to use. Once your account is ready, you can customize it for your YouTube channel. Add a profile picture that represents your brand or channel. You can also create a professional signature in Gmail that includes your channel name and link. This is helpful if you plan to communicate with sponsors or collaborators. Now, to connect your Gmail account to YouTube, go to YouTube and sign in using the Gmail account you just created. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then click Create a Channel. YouTube will guide you through the setup process, where you can add your channel name, logo, and description. Make sure the channel name matches your Gmail account or business name for consistency. Finally, take a moment to explore Gmail settings. Turn on two-step verification for extra security. You can also enable professional features like scheduling emails and creating labels for better organization. These tools make it easier to manage business communications related to your YouTube channel. At this point, your business Gmail account is fully created and set up, and it is ready to be used with YouTube. You now have a professional email address, a secure account, and the ability to manage multiple users if needed. You can start creating and uploading videos, interacting with your audience, and growing your YouTube channel in a professional way.